Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by removing obvious barriers. Check the yellow Protected View banner and click Enable Editing if present. Make sure the workbook isn't marked Read Only and that you have folder permissions on OneDrive or SharePoint. Once done, confirm Office is activated and no other Excel instance is locking the file. If edits still fail, save a copy with a new name and reopen. This often clears transient locks and gets you into an editable session quickly. Next, remove features that commonly block edits. Go to Trust Center and disable Protected View options temporarily, then restart Excel. Disable COM add-ins one by one so you can identify conflicts. Unprotect the sheet or workbook if review shows protection. Also exit shared workbook mode because sharing can restrict edits. If the problem persists, run an Office quick repair to fix corrupted components and convert legacy. XLS files to XLSX to eliminate format-related edit limitations. Finish by isolating the environment. Start Excel in safe mode to bypass add-ins and startup templates and test whether editing works. Inspect antivirus or cloud sync clients that may lock files, temporarily pause them, or add an exception for the workbook. If needed, create a fresh workbook and copy values and formulas to it, then save as a new file. If edits still fail, reproduce the issue on another user account or PC. This single test is a fast troubleshooting tip that reveals whether the problem is local or file-specific.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.